So guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be doing some banana bread. Well, actually one banana bread. And so these are my ingredients. In this bowl I have a cup and a half of flour, half a spoon of baking powder, baking soda, and a half spoon of cinnamon. In here I have a quarter cup of melted butter, and my butter is salted, so I'm not gonna add salt. Also I have 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. I don't have brown sugar, so I'll be using granulated sugar. And also we will need 2 eggs, and most importantly our bananas. So guys, I'm gonna peel these and I'm gonna use a fork to crush them, and I will get right back to the video. So guys, this is my bananas. To this I'll be adding my sugar, and I'll use a whisk to do it like this. Guys, I don't like when the banana is chunky in there, so if you like it chunky, then you don't have to mix it as I'm doing it. So guys, to this also after adding my eggs and whisking, I'll be adding. So guys, this is my egg, my sugar, and my banana. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'll be combining my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna add this in small amount. I'll be adding this in small amount to my banana, but I'm gonna use a spatula. So guys, I'll be using a spatula to fold in my flour. So guys, if you have a mixer, you don't have to use your hand. It goes faster with the mixer, but today I decided to use my hand because it's very easy. So I'll be adding some more. So guys, at this time your oven should be preheating, and your tray grease. I'll be adding my butter. I'll be adding the remainder of the flour. And the remainder of the butter. Also guys, I'll be adding my vanilla, and this is a teaspoon of vanilla. And So guys, there you have it. This is my dough. I'm gonna put it in my baking tin. So guys, this is my baking tray. This is the one I'm gonna use today, and I'll be adding in my ingredients or my batter. So guys, you could also add nut to this, or whatever you like, whatever nut you like, but today I'll be doing this plain. You could also turn it into chocolate, whatever. Be creative and do whatever you would like, but today I'll be doing just a plain banana cake, banana bread, not a cake, a bread. So guys, this is it, and then I'll put this in my oven to bake for 1 hour. So there you have it, guys, a quick and easy dessert. So guys, there you have it. This is my banana bread. It is ready, fresh from the oven. And guys, I'm gonna allow this to cool down, and then I will cut right into it. So guys, here you have it. I will cut into it so that you guys can see the softness and how fluffy it is. Oops. So guys, there it is. This is my banana bread. Guys, this is an easy snack. Doesn't take any time. So guys, there you have it. So guys, if you're new to my channel, so guys, if this is the first time you're seeing one of my recipes, please feel free to join my community by subscribing and like the video if you do like the video, and leave me a comment. And yes guys, until the next video, bye bye.